Hi, Steve Duff here, live from Panama City Beach, Florida. Christmas Day. It's about 75 degrees here. It's unheard of. What's Christmas without snow? Well, in Panama City Beach, it's typical. We enjoy the weather here, and we enjoy the scenery here also, my wife and I, quite regularly, at St. Andrew's Park. It's a part of the Panama City Beach area that a lot of you may not be familiar with. Yeah, we've got a lot of condos up and down the beach and things like that, a lot of commercialism, but there is a nature side that you may have missed. Come on out to St. Andrew's Park. It's beautiful. There's the marsh that we're at here. There's the alligator section that we've got a video of. Will be incorporated in this. There is the pier. We've got a little footage of that as well. And we come out here quite often if we just want to get away, and it's just right down the road from where we live. So Christmas Day, again, in Panama City Beach, Florida. Merry Christmas, and my condolences to you if you're in the cold weather right now and having to deal with all the ice and the snow. Well, anyway, if there's anything that we can do at Duff Marketing for you in 2009, we'd certainly like to talk to you about it and discuss it. But today, let's not talk so much about business. Let's enjoy Christmas, and I hope you're having a very good one with your family. Steve Duff, Panama City Beach, Florida.